Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I just dream of fishing while I'm going through my workday. I listen to my boss, though he's driving me berserk. Damn it, I can't take much more because my brain is really hurting. And now the bank is always calling and I don't know what to do. And I haven't bought a crankbait since like 1992. But the bass are out there schooling and they're ready to attack. And I got all my favorite lures and they're loaded in my pack. All that stress that's in my...
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to this episode of G4 Outdoors. I've been doing a lot of research online about, well, I know when the oil intervals are supposed to be done on the Mercury outboard motors. I have the 150, just a standard Mercury 4-stroke motor here, but there's no hour meter on it, and I know it's not really a waste of money. There is so many functions and capabilities of the veiw. Like you can do lake maps, you can, I don't know, there's GPS in here, it'll tell your RPM, but I have an RPM gauge. It'll tell you your voltage, but I have a voltage gauge. It'll tell you your trim, but I have a trim gauge. So all I really want this for is an hour meter to tell me when I need to change the oil for service intervals, because I have no way of knowing how many hours are on this thing. I can guesstimate, but you can't really say how long it takes you to get across the lake from time to time. How many times have you been out on the lake doing that trip back and forth? You just don't know. So I don't want to go over my hours, and I don't want to spend money and do my oil changes too often, even though it's not a bad idea to change your oil a little too often, just not too often. So $200 with taxes. This is 250 bucks. Let's just say that $250, $225. Amazon reviews. Amazon reviews are horrible. If you just go to the bottom ones, most of the reviews say that it's a repackaged item, remanufactured. It's not sold by Mercury. So I would recommend going out and getting this from your local Mercury Marine dealer. That way you can return it to them, because with Amazon you might have a problem returning it. You will have a problem returning it to a dealer because you did not buy it from an authorized Mercury Marine dealer. It's just sold by Amazon and they're remanufactured. So, you know, I've heard a lot of, like, these are hard to install. That's just what I've heard. And I don't see how it can be hard to install, because as you can see right here, you just got two little pieces right here that you install. Zip tie and maybe screw it down. I'm going to try not to screw into anything. But blah blah, let's get into this video already. All right, now we'll see what's in the package. We do have an instruction booklet, cable clip, screw, veiw, weather cap, and cable tie. I can tell you right now I don't have any cable ties in here. They stole them from me. So far this is going to be simple. You have your brain and you have two connections. Let's continue. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go get some zip ties. They may be a little bit small, but we can always double them up. So in the instructions, it tells you what's what. It tells you what to do. Let's do it. So the switch terminator is actually written right here on this one. It says terminator on it, so I know that this is the exact one that I need to be hooking into. So this weather cap right here, you will need a screwdriver or something of the sort to pry this off of here, because the little tabs are right around here on the side. So these yellow tabs have to come out and come off of here. And I don't think I can do this one-handed, but I'll give it a go. I'll give her a go. Well, I need two hands. I'll just sit you right here. How about that? I'll sit you right in my lap. There's one side. And there's two sides. So, what the hell? I took the yellow terminator cap off, and there's wires behind here. So do I take the whole cap off? Yeah, the diagram's showing me to take the whole cap off. My bad. My bad. It's a good thing we're all here to help each other out. See, see how easy that was? Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 prongs in there. Okay, so if we can look down into here, it's called a 10-pin connector, but I can see 5 little silver ports in there, and that tells me that it's going to be lining up with this port. So install this, make sure you get a good clip on it. Oh yeah. Okay, that's clipped on there, and we will push that back into place. Right there. Okay, now we'll have one extra little tag end right here, and what we're going to do with that, we're going to take the yellow plug that was on there, we're going to remove part of this and install this onto here, and that will terminate the end of this wire. I don't actually understand the theory behind that. I think that should all be taken care of just with that one wire, but the instructions say to do it, so we'll do it. So we will remove this one and install that one. Is that all there is to this? Well, all right, now I guess we just got to mount the brain, the Bluetooth. Yeah, let's find a place to mount this. Well, I know that there's some spots on here that I could drill through, like down here, like right down in here, and mount it somewhere down there. But I'm not going to drill any holes on here. I would like to glue it right here, but I don't want to cover up any of these instructions here. But what I have done is I just laid it down in here, and it's, I mean, it's loose, but it's fairly solid. It's not going to go anywhere. So I'm just going to leave that right there. I really don't want to do anything I shouldn't do. Although that's probably something I shouldn't do. So we'll want to go to the App Store, look up veiw. There's only one there. It's got a 93 ratings with a 3-star rating. Something that we have to have, so we'll get it. So go ahead and download that. Next, you're going to take your keys and turn the ignition on. Do not start your boat. Just in case, I'm going to turn the master power on and come back, and I guess I'm going to look for a green light. Yeah, we got them. We got them. Got some green lights going on back here. Okay, so now we're going to go to the veiw app. Let's open that up. veiw would like to send you notifications. Let's go ahead and allow that in case something happens out on the water. veiw would like to use Bluetooth, of course. I agree. Got my location. Allow while using app. Keep track of your engine maintenance. Log in, sign up. I will skip that for now. Live engine data requires the veiw mobile module to be installed by now or connect. Let's go ahead and connect. Scanning for devices. veiw, found it. Boom. Name of boat, G4 Outdoors. Number of engines, 1. Fuel tank capacity, 42. Save. Connecting to module. Working. And preferred dealer later. So now we have our RPM, our gallon, and our miles per hour. Let's see if any of this takes a little bit to catch up, like the fuel. I know I'm on a full tank of fuel. Up in the upper right hand corner, we're going to be showing 190 degrees south, 19-mile-an-hour wind coming from the south, 81 degrees outside. Maintenance. Maintenance due in 49 hours. So, are we supposed to see there? I had no idea we were working on 200 hours on this engine already.
Really?
Yeah. Engine hours 50. So that's kind of strange. So did we do our first oil change at 25 or at 10? There's some confusion going on up here. Okay, so I know that we did our first break-in oil change on time, and that was an estimated, actually that was a good time because we kept track of it on the phone. We went out and did our break-ins. We did that, timed it on our phone, so I know that was right. But it's saying that we have 50 hours on our engine right now, and if we go back to serve maintenance due in 49 hours. So I guess the first oil change after that is 75 hours. I thought that it was 250 hours. But that is maintenance due in 49 hours. What's due? Oil and gear case lube. So that should be every 100 hours that you do that. That's I don't know, that should be around once a year. Anyways, there's a lot of videos out there that will take you into a deep dive onto this veiw app. I'm gonna have to play around with it for quite a while myself, but I did get this specifically just for the hour meter, and it is an expensive little device. I could hook a simple hour meter up to just one of the ignition coils on here, and that would give me a simple hour meter for very little cost. But with this right here, it's going to shoot me codes. It's going to send those codes to Mercury, I believe, and they will get a hold of me and take care of the service at my preferred service dealer. So anyway, it's an expensive little device, but boating is a expensive little hobby. So I got it, and I'm glad I got it. It was an easy install. So I'm gonna put the lid on this, and we are gonna head out to Smithville Lake, and we're gonna get on some crappie today. So guys, if the video was helpful at all, easy install, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below. I will see you in the next one. I'm out.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I just dream of fishing while I'm going through my workday. I listen to my boss, though he's driving me berserk. Damn it, I can't take much more because my brain is really hurting. And now the bank is always calling and I don't know what to do. And I haven't bought a crankbait since like 1992. But the bass are out there schooling and they're ready to attack. And I got all my favorite lures and they're loaded in my pack. All that stress that's in my